Hello guys, I know so far you have seen a video and you got super excited, you clicked on the like, you shared with your friends because you got super excited with the video. And a few months later the video is maybe everywhere online and everyone is liking the video. So that's what we call a viral video. So how do you get to make a viral video yourself? Yeah. So today I'm going to be sharing that to you guys. So welcome very much. This is Finstock Biztalk, where I give you tips on how to make money, how to grow your business, and important tips about online marketing and how you can make money online, and even skills on video production and how you can make your videos and grow on your social media platforms. Welcome, my name is Patrick. Today we're going to be discussing on how you can make a viral video, because don't think that just a viral video is just a video that is made randomly and then just go viral. Okay, we have a few, maybe that was a video that was just recorded maybe just somewhere and it happens to go viral. But these days you can create your own viral video, and we are going to be sharing that with you guys today. So welcome. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that your video has uniqueness and surprise. Yeah, I know you've seen such a video. The video is very unique, and then at some point you just have a very sharp twist of the video. Maybe the video is talking about something and then it happens to go on a totally different way. That's what we call surprise, because that will create a moment where you're expecting something with the video and then the video just happens to not do the same, and you're like, maybe it's a video of someone robbing the bank and then giving the money out to the police. So that gives you a sense of surprise, and then the video will make sure that will increase your humor, and you'll just find yourself liking the video and commenting and sharing. Yeah, so that's what you get to create. That is the first thing you have to know when you're trying to create a viral video. You have to make sure that your video is unique and have surprise in it. And the second one is to make sure that your video is emotionally resonant content. Yeah, so people can relate emotionally to that video. Maybe it's a video of maybe someone sharing good news with their parents, or maybe sharing something with a stranger or a homeless person, so that people can relate emotionally to that video. Because nowadays you can only create content on emotional. Yeah, on an emotional. Nowadays people like to watch content that is from an emotional standpoint, because they can get to relate and feel something about the video, rather than just creating a video and expecting people to like it, because everyone have emotions. So a lot of people will tend to like videos that they can relate emotionally to. Yeah, so you have to make sure that you create emotional resonant content. The other one is visual appeal. Yeah, visual appeal means what is the audience seeing. Yeah, when I just scroll and get to a video, the first thing I see, will it be appealing to me, and would I like to continue watching the video? Yeah, because if I just scroll and then I can't even see clearly, like I have to bend to see whatever is happening in the video, that will give you as a content creator fewer chances of your video getting more views and likes and comments and all that. So you have to make sure that your visuals are clear. Yeah, because so that people don't like struggling watching content. Yeah, so you have to make sure that your visual part is appealing. Yeah, the other one is captivating storytelling. Yeah, because you try to tell a story and make it flow. Yeah, because people like hearing stories a lot, and telling a story is not just saying once upon a time they existed. No, you can even tell a story without even mentioning a word. You can even use a video without even music or anything, but the video is talking to the audience. Yeah, the way you've recorded your video, the way you have edited, doesn't have to have even sound or someone saying what is happening in the video. A person just watching the video will be like listening to a story, and that is what we call captivating storytelling. And the last one is optimal sharing and promotion. You have to make sure that you share the video as much time as possible. If you believe that video is worth going viral and you've implemented all the other 4 things that we mentioned, like uniqueness, emotionally resonant content, visual appeal, captivating storytelling, you will have to make sure that you share the video with like everyone and make sure that you're pushing that type of content for it to reach more and more people. Having a viral video, the first thing is that video has been shared a lot of times. Yeah, so if I find a funny video or a video that might go viral, maybe it's a cute video of a cat or a baby, the more I share the video, the more chances of that video going viral. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Those are the 5 tips that you should make sure that you are implementing as a content creator if you're trying to make a viral video. Yeah, make sure you implement them and you'll have a very high chance of creating a viral video, because you have to strategize everything nowadays for your video to go viral, because almost everyone is creating. So why should people watch you while there is like other people who are creating maybe content that is even better than yours? So you have to make sure that you sit down and strategize and come up with like this unique tips that will make sure that your video stands out among all the other creators. Yeah, if you would like to take your content creation journey to another level, you can enroll for online courses like Finstock University College, where they have experts that teach people about all this and how to create content, how to edit using the latest softwares for editing like Premiere Pro and others. You can enroll and visit their website at www.finstockuniversitycollege.com, or you can email them at info@finstockuniversitycollege. You can also call their customer care number at 0703 313 722. That is it, guys. Until next time, goodbye.